folks, check this out. It looks like some sort of stage, like it's carved, you know, like a carved out stage. Isn't that cool? I think that's wild. Huh. That's pretty neat. Kind of reminds me of Panther Den. Something like this at Panther Den.
Yeah, there is.
If you remember.
I remember it.
Yeah, that's neat. Good morning, my Bluffage buddies. Gather around.
Oh,
We're gonna sing Bluffage hymns. Oh no, we love Bluffage. Check that rock out, folks. Eventually, that thing will probably fall, probably break from its, you know, attachment, and just boo, fall down and maybe lay over. And then people will walk by and go, I wonder how this got down here. Pretty cool. Really cool area. On our way to Splatterstone Falls.
the back way.
The back way. The long way, maybe. I think both ways are kind of long.
I think it's going to be about equal.
Yeah. And see what it looks like frozen. Hopefully it's nice and frozen. Alright folks, we are at Splatterstone Falls, still in Jackson Hollow. Woo! A little windy, and it's running but it's frozen, so it's cool. Little of both worlds. It's pretty cool. I've never seen it like this. But there's a big stone right there that's fallen on, and I guess it gives it its name. Splatterstone. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool, folks. Now'd be the cool time to see that break. Of course, it'd probably get to me. But isn't that neat? I think that's awesome. It's pretty. Whew. Very pretty. Alright folks, different angle. I'll make my way down here. See it from behind. Hopefully the eyes don't fall. I'll sneak up on the eyes. Really cool. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's neat. That's cool. All sorts of eyes. Look at that baby. That's cool. All sorts of bluffage covered nice. Yep. This is a really pretty creek right here. That's pretty. Really pretty right here. Look at that prettiness. And it's really cool. And straight off that way is Splatterstone. So, really cool little cascade. If you stick your ear to the bluffage, you can hear the ocean. Let's do it. You hear the ocean?
Little Bay Creek.
Little Bay Creek, yep. Little Bay Creek. Beautiful creek. Beautiful creek. Alright folks, on our way back to the truck. Almost went 5 miles, probably about 5, a little over 5 when we get there. Pretty good hike, saw a lot, very successful. Got to see Splatterstone Falls all frozen and running at the same time. And it was pretty good time. Pretty wore out now. Definitely felt like I hiked this weekend. All right, folks. Should be about 5 miles.
All right, take a shot.
Wow.
All right, folks. Where are you going? I'm not following you.
We'll try to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, we might not see you on the trail because we can't get out. Sticker Bush Central. Here's the Barrens up here.